All right, the second mistake that we often see is this, okay, is that you're hiring the best and not the most coachable. And you're thinking, wait a minute, you're telling me not to hire the best? And I'm going to say, yes, most of the time the best are not the best players. And the reason is because they know they're the best, they know that you know they're the best, and they're going to come in and I'm going to do my own thing. If you have two candidates and one of them is the best at their job, okay, and this one is really good at their job, I will take my chances on the good and is coachable than on the best of the best and I don't see coachability. Why? Because this guy or this gal right here, they're going to work better with the other team members. They're going to be more coachable. They're going to want to coach others. They're going to be better team players. They're more humble. They're more hungry. But if you get what's the word I hear a lot? We only hire thoroughbreds around here. Well, you know what makes a thoroughbred? They do things in their own way at the expense of others. And if another thoroughbred gets close, they knock each other out and they do not create cohesive teams. I don't need one awesome person with 5 others hoping to be that. Okay? I want 7 horses that can pull the carriage together and as a team can get there without the egos and without the agendas and without the I'm the one in the front and I'm the one that has to give opinions all the time.